paste. It's a dupe of the pink cleaning paste. So I'm gonna try this on my bathtub and see how it works. I don't even want to show you my bathroom, but it's time for a deep clean. A deeper clean. Yeah, so that's what I'm working on. I'm gonna get my bathtub refinished tomorrow because it's just driving me crazy. I'm gonna tackle this wall and clean my bathtub again. Organize this mess. Look at that. It is October the 24th. Tomorrow is the 25th already of October. Welcome back, y'all. I'm Yvonne Boulevard. It seems like it's summertime outside. I know last night it was real windy. Yes, it was real windy. Right now it's afternoon, so I do want to go run a quick errand. I know I need to get some fixtures to make dinner tonight because tonight I want to do a salmon croquette and rice dish. Yeah, so that's on the menu tonight, salmon croquettes and rice. So I'm gonna do that. And then I know I need to get another juice pitcher because my pitcher, it broke. So yeah, that's about it. I need to go check the mail. So yeah, go do that. To be honest with y'all, shopping at Walmart is very cheap to me, but my thing about shopping at Walmart is I have to travel all the way across town. And sometimes I don't feel like traveling far because, you know, I do not have a car. And that's how it be sometimes. Like, I don't want to travel far. But I just wish that certain stores were super close to my house, like Walmart, like Target. It's like living in Florida. Things are spread apart. Well, I take that back. In some parts of Florida, some stores are close to residency neighborhoods, so let me take that back. Just depends on where you live. But like where I live, the stores that I like, they're far. And I do not want to like take public transportation. Let me think. I'm gonna go to Sam's Club next month. Or maybe at the beginning of next month, I'll go to Sam's Club. I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably just go to Sam's Club the beginning of November. I'll do that. But yeah, in the meantime, I just need to go get some more salmon croquettes, some eggs. Yeah, I just need to go to the store. I really do. Yeah. So my spending challenge is to only spend $20 at the store. I think I'm gonna go ahead and purchase some Lysol toilet cleaner. Okay, I'm like, what's going on? Ooh. Okay, so when I was at the Dollar Tree, I found this candle holder little stand. It's so cute. Love the aesthetics of the white candle holder. So I'm thinking about painting this candle stand white. Let me see if I have any paint. Yep, I do. We're in luck. Yes, so I'm so excited to paint this. Hopefully it comes out okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint this, get this out of the way because I'm on a time crunch, and when the sun go down, that's when I'm gonna be getting ready for bed and laying my butt down, and dinner will be made for tonight. Oh, I forgot to mention to y'all that this candle holder that I found at the Dollar Tree today, it was only $1.25. Yes, ma'am. Let's go ahead and paint this. Okay, so I got dinner cooking. Wait, where is mine? Hold on, y'all. I'm looking for my cornmeal and bread crumble. So yeah, dinner is cooking. I'm gonna try to get this vlog up to y'all as soon as possible tonight because I do not want to be uploading no vlog to my YouTube channel after 10 p.m. No, that's a no-no because around 7 p.m. I'm gonna have my butt in bed, relaxing, ready to go to sleep. So I'm just so excited for next week. Some things have came up, so I'm just excited about that. And then this weekend for Saturday, I want to do a vlog on going to the park. Maybe I'll take y'all to the park with me. Nothing big. Let's just go to the park, hang out, chit chat a little bit. And then Sunday, I just plan on doing a mini Sunday reset vlog. Sorry, gotta have a little me time to pick up a pen and a piece of paper and just jot down my thoughts, jot down how I felt for this past week, and then what I look forward to for this coming week, things like that. So I look forward to that this Sunday. Just basically take it easy because I'm not working too hard. But y'all excuse me. It's a little noisy in the background. They being loud. And I will pick y'all back up in a little bit. Yes, it is still daylight outside. Y'all excuse my hair. I picked up some personal hygiene stuff for the house when I was at the Dollar Tree today. And then I picked up this Dermasil cocoa butter lotion. They did have an aloe vera lotion, but I went ahead and got the cocoa butter because I'm the only one who does not use lotion on my skin around here. I don't. So, ooh, this pumpkin candle is smelling so good. Alexa, set an alarm for 5 a.m. Alexa? Okay, because I thought Alexa was not about to set the alarm, so I had to say Alexa again. I wish I can zoom in. So these are some books that I have on my tablet. The first one is A Curse or True Love, and then Verity. So at first I was thinking about wearing my backpack tomorrow to work, but instead I'm gonna empty out my backpack and transfer everything to a handbag. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. See, I be carrying my chargers and stuff to work. Okay, I would like to end out this part of the vlog. Thank y'all so much for stopping by. But it is time to go. I will see y'all in the next daily vlog. And tomorrow I'm really thinking about doing a Friday plan with me type of vlog. But I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a blessed Thursday night and a good Friday tomorrow. And I will talk to y'all then. Until then, take care. Bye. And remember to keep a positive attitude. I know that life is not perfect. Till then, I will talk to y'all later. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, October the 25th. Bye.